Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create another bottle art, but this time we are going to make some dot mandala art on that bottle. So you can use this upcycled bottle as a planter or vase, anything. It is a great piece of home decor and it is also very cost efficient thing. So the requirements are as shown on your screen. So this is the final product which we are going to make from a beer bottle. So to make this art form you need a glass bottle, artistic gesso. I had white color so I used black acrylic color over it. Otherwise you can directly use black gesso. And you need dot mandala tool, and in case you don't have dot mandala tool there is no requirement to buy them. You can use toothpick, the pointed side and the back side, and q-tip, the plastic, like remove the cotton from one side of the q-tip and use that as a circle, and for a bigger dot use the other side. And also you can use back of the pencils, brushes, pens. I will link a video in which I had made a video using those stationery items, so you can use them. Okay, here what I have done is I took the bottle, I cleaned it with the rubbing alcohol before beginning, and then I applied a coat of gesso using a sponge. Once that coat was dried up, I applied the black acrylic color all over the bottle to give it a black matte finish look. So you can use sponge over here. It will be easy to work with the sponge rather than the brush, so I will suggest you to use sponge. Once this is done, let it dry and keep your bottle flat, lay flat. Now I have this 8 plus 5 pieces dot mandala set recently bought, and I am using this set for the very first time to make the dot mandala art. And in the beginning I started with the white color central big dot, and like on the sides I am making some small dots using the white acrylic color itself. So this part you can do with the toothpick, right? The flat side of the toothpick, not the pointed side. And for the center you can use maybe a pencil with the eraser back or a sketch pen, something like that. Now I chose my tools very randomly. Okay, so this was, I guess, a smaller size than the white one, and I am using blue color over here to make the dot circle around the white circle, and these dots were offset to the previous dots. Now here I tried the blue color, but it was not at all visible, so I switched to the green color over here, and I had to use this this is ultramarine blue, I guess, of the Fevicryl color, and I had to use this, so I put a trick to use this in the later part of the video. I will show you. Try to keep the dots as near as possible to the previous one, but in such a manner that they don't touch to each other. But in case they do, it is totally fine. This dot mandala needs practice so that your dots are perfectly placed. So initially you can make mistakes. So in between here, in the, I guess this was a teal color, so in between I am putting 2 dots of the yellow color to give it a bit brighter look. So yellow, orange, these kind of colors give some brightness to your project, so always use them. So here is the trick which I used to use my dark blue color. I put some dots with the white color first, and then on these white dots I used a smaller tool and put the blue color. But here you keep in mind that you use the blue color once this white color is dried. I didn't wait for that dry time, but you should wait for that, because it may like make your color, the blue color, lighter, because it will react with the white color and the shade can become lighter. Like here it is happening because my color was almost over, and it was not coming properly on the tool as well, so I had to do it again. Now I am making a crown on these bigger dots using the smaller dot tool, and what I am doing over here is I am taking color only once, and I am uh, running the dots without dipping the tool again in the color. So in this way they will be bit smaller in the size by the end. Then make another layer of leaf green color. So do this part a bit patiently. My speed is looking more because the video is 3 times faster than the original speed, so be patient. Okay, then I took the yellow color again, lemon yellow color this is, and I'm placing a dot in between these crowns thing. So here at few points, because my bottle was not even, okay, so I was facing some issue with the dot, so I used my smaller tool to make it a round. So you can use this, you can do this cheating kind of things if required. So from now onwards, I mean, you can simply enjoy the process, because most of the things I have already explained, like how to do, and you can see those things. So if any other technique will come, I will explain that. So enjoy the process. So due to unevenness, same thing happened with this part as well. So I had to even use my finger to give it a proper dot shape, otherwise it was not coming as a dot. And with this I completed my project, but you can continue, you can cover the whole bottle, or you can make some other design in the mandala on your bottle. So it's all upon your creativity. So thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do give the feedback, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Goodbye.